Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of downloading the Vivamax app on your iPhone. Vivamax is a fantastic streaming platform that offers a wide range of movies, TV shows, and exclusive content. Let's get started. To begin, open the App Store on your iPhone from your home screen. Once inside the App Store, tap on the search button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the search bar, type Vivamax and press Enter. The Vivamax app icon should appear on your screen. Tap on the Get button next to the app to initiate the download process. Wait patiently for the app to finish downloading onto your iPhone. Once the download is complete, you can launch the app by tapping the Open button located next to the app. When you open the Vivamax app for the first time, you'll be prompted to sign in or create a new account. If you already have a Vivamax account, simply sign in using your credentials. Otherwise, tap on Create Account and follow the instructions to set up a new account. Once you're signed in, you can start exploring the vast library of movies and TV shows on Vivamax. Enjoy a wide variety of genres and exclusive content right at your fingertips. Congratulations! You've successfully downloaded the Vivamax app on your iPhone.